Welcome to our cafe. You have customers. Show them to a table. I want to order some food, please. What's good here? I want to have a donut. I'll have a slice of pizza. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Put the dough into the pan and fry it. Look, there are a lot of creams. Strawberry flavor. Green tea flavor. Strawberry flavor. Green tea flavor. Top it with candy and it'll taste better. Wow, you've made a donut. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Spread a layer of sauce on the dough. What toppings? Tomato, 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 tomato. Mushroom, 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 mushroom. With cheese, it'll taste even better. Put the pizza into the pizza oven and bake it. Wow, you've made a delicious pizza. Here's your order. Pizza donut. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
Hi. Hi, I want to order some food, please. I'll have a piece of cake.
This is what... Mix the ingredients first. Awesome! Now pour them into the mold. Oh yeah! Now you can put it in the oven. Which cream do you like? Milk flavor. Our delicious cake is done. Here's your food. Cake! Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead. All the food is done. Here's a coin.
Hi, I want to order some food, please.
I'm so thirsty. What kind? I'll have a cup of flower tea.
I'll have some fruit juice.
This is what the cost. What flower? Rose. Pour some hot water to open the leaves. Here's some healthy and tasty rose tea. This is what the... What fruit juice do you want to make? Kiwi. 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 Pear. I can't wait to make some fruit juice. Whoa, the fruit juice is done. With ice, it'll taste even better. The delicious fruit juice is done. Here's your order. Flower tea. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.